Different for the Australian stock market, which has wiped out virtually all its gains for the year. But at least consumers are feeling more confident about the economy, and we know why, Heights. They've been spending, correct?
They certainly have been spending. They've got that $900 cash handout from the Rudd government, and that certainly makes people feel a lot more optimistic about the economy. But we'll get back to the markets quickly. The commodities have had a 4-day drubbing, and that's caused the stock market to flatline. Have a look at this graph. Stocks started rallying at the beginning of March, and now that rally seems to have run out of steam, and pretty much all the gains for the year are now completely gone. There is doom and gloom on the markets, but at least consumers are upbeat about the economy. Consumer sentiment jumped to a 19-month high in July. This is Pitt Street in downtown Sydney. Normally you'd see sale signs at the end of the financial year. That finished a week ago, and those signs are still there with huge discounts. While businesses are expecting the worst annual profit result in 2 decades, for consumers, they're getting big discounts. Their mortgage is now costing less, and they have that all-important cash cheque for $900 Australian courtesy of the Rudd government.
From what I can see around the streets, people seem to be spending and still, buying, TVs and clothes and things like that. They don't seem to have cut back on that. It doesn't really feel like a recession.
Compared to all the other countries, with the world recession and everything, Australia seems to be doing quite well.
We're spending about the same, I'd say. We're not really cutting back that drastically, but at the same time, we're aware of it, so that we don't want to go out there and spend too much. But hey, we're enjoying our holiday, so I guess I am.
And home loan approvals have jumped 2.2% in May. The rise in the number of people seeking home loans was mostly due to the government's $21,000 Australian grant for first home buyers who build their own home. There had been some predictions that we'd see a 20 to 40% drop in house prices as well, but Haslinda, we're certainly not seeing anything like that at the moment. Back to you.
Heidi Kutsch, thank you so much for that.